Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
So what you observed, sir?
We have seen the difficulties basically as far as the offices are concerned. The offices are very cramped. There is a lack of space. So we are trying to shift some offices. And especially Mamladar, I think they are based on the third floor. So we are trying to get them on the first floor for the convenience of the public. We want to have a revenue govern in all the colleges.
बाबूश खांडेपारा कोयराविल्याच्या प्लांटार वचून आयलो. प्लांटाची तांक वाडोवन दिता म्हण उतर दिवन आयला. सध्या फोणेचो 5 टन कोयर खंय साळगांव प्लांटार वता.
Regarding garbage, maybe nothing.
Their capacity is under 6.5 tons per day. Wet garbage is concerned. So out of that, what they are treating is around 1.5 tons. Now there is a proposal which is and the rest is going to our Saligam plant. That was a stopgap system. Now they are increasing that they'll get approval. Factory also there for 10 tons, and which will be annexed for another 10 tons in future.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विवेक प्रभू.